Oh hey, I didn't see you there. How's it going, guys? As you guys may know, I have some body hair. Okay, you know, not ashamed to show it. Didn't always used to be that way, actually. Growing up, I used to be really insecure about all my body hair, especially my eyebrows. My giant eyebrows. Anyways, I used to attempt manscaping and I would do a terrible job. I would like hack off all of my chest hair. I was trimming down there without the proper tools, not really knowing what I was doing. But thankfully, as I grew older, I finally figured out how to groom myself properly. So I wanted to share with you guys what my manscaping and grooming routine is, and hopefully you guys can learn a little bit from it. Before you start manscaping, you need to make sure you have the right tools for your family jewels. Because you don't want to use the same razor on your face that you're using below the belt. You can get everything you need on manscaped.com. I want to give them a big shout out because they are actually sponsoring this video. I'm going to be using their Perfect Package Kit 2.0. Manscaped is the only men's brand dedicated solely to below the waist hygiene and grooming. In fact, Mark Cuban gave them a deal on Shark Tank. If Mark Cuban's into it, you know it's legit. The Perfect Package 2.0 comes with the Lawnmower Trimmer 2.0. It's waterproof with a 6,000 RPM motor. It uses replaceable ceramic blades with skin-safe technology to make sure you don't get any nicks or snags. Manscaped.com even gives you the option to replace those blades every 3 months to make sure that everything stays hygienic. The trimmer barely sounds like it's on when I'm using it, so that gives me the confidence I need to manscape properly. The package comes with a lot of amazing other cool stuff, like they have this crop preserver, which is a below the waist 24-hour deodorant. It also comes with the crop reviver, which is an all-natural spray-on body toner and refresher. It's got soothing ingredients like aloe vera. Ooh. For those looking to go completely bare down there, the package also comes with the Plow, which is a stainless steel double-edged safety razor. And finally, it comes with the Magic Mat. Boom! A set of disposable shaving mats that you can use to collect your hair underneath you. Manscaped products feature a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can use it risk-free. Nick your sack, send it back. I will link everything up in the description below, and if you use the discount code ED20, you're actually gonna get 20% off your order, plus you're gonna get free shipping, plus you're gonna get a free gift just for subscribers. Your balls will thank you. Cool beans, let's get to work. So this is a full head-to-toe grooming video, and we're gonna start with the head, because you know, head to toe. So I almost never get rid of my beard completely. I always have at least some scruff. This is a personal choice. I think I look better with a little facial hair. Also, I have really sensitive skin. So if I shave all the way down, especially my neck, I break out, I get ingrown hairs, I don't like it. So I personally just use a beard trimmer to keep everything groomed. So I'm gonna use a beard trimmer. I have it on a 2.5. Cool, if you guys can see that, the beard's a little bit more trim. This is like my ideal length. When it gets a little bit thicker, it gets a little bit itchier. And also this way I feel like I have some scruff, but you know, it doesn't hide my face completely. Next up, what I do is I take off the trimmer head and I use this on my neck. Cool, so we just finished up the neck. As you can see, it looks pretty clean, pretty short, and then the beard is nice and trim. Next up for my eyebrows, I just use a tweezer in the middle to like avoid a unibrow. I actually don't touch the rest of them. I used to get my eyebrows done, and I know there's a lot of people out there who want me to get them done, but I kind of like them, you know, looking natural. Boom, eyebrows done. Next up is nose hairs. To be safe and for hygiene, because your nose is such a sensitive area, you should probably use a trimmer designed for your nose. I'm kind of lazy and I just use this trimmer, and I'm very careful. I just kind of like pull my nose back a bit and get like the ends just so I don't have any hair sticking out. See, no hair sticking out. Boom, baby. Next up is chest hair. So I actually don't touch my chest hair at all. This is 100% natural. I used to be really insecure about it because friends in like high school, they're like, oh, it's patchy a little bit. And also that it looks like an eagle. Do you kind of see the eagle? Obviously everybody's different, and it's up to you to decide what you want to do with your chest hair. What I will say is I know there's a lot of guys out there who are insecure about their chest hair who really shouldn't be. Especially nowadays, I feel like chest hair is very in. So if you're someone who's kind of like on the fence about it, I'd recommend just letting it grow in, giving it a shot. You might be surprised how people react. I also don't have any back hair, so I don't have to worry about that. If I did, I'd probably get rid of it. I personally am not the biggest fan of back hair, but again, that's personal preference. It's up to you. I also know there's some guys that might touch their arm and leg hair. I personally don't. I feel like I don't have that much arm hair that's noticeable, so I just let it be. As for my legs, they're very hairy, but I kind of like them that way. Body hair on men is kind of in right now. It's kind of sexy, so I'd recommend giving it a shot, letting it grow in. Armpits. I actually hate my armpit hair. I feel like it grows in a lot more on the top than it does down here. I feel like it's like wide and bushy up here and then very thin here. And I don't like it. I always been insecure about it. So I do trim my armpits a bit just so it's not like overflowing and sticking out. If you want to see the difference of this one's trimmed, this one isn't, it's very slight, but I feel like it makes a little bit of a difference and I kind of prefer it a little bit more trim like that. There you go, so armpits are a little bit more trim. I don't like them completely shaved. I think a little armpit hair looks good. Next up, the moment you've all been waiting for, trimming down there. Unlike my chest and leg hair, I do trim down there. I think some hair looks good, but having it grown out completely, in my opinion, is a little bit too much. So I do make sure to keep everything down there a little trim. To start trimming, I'd recommend putting down a mat. Again, Manscaped, if you order from them, they give you these really awesome mats for your bathroom floor so you can catch all that hair. So pubic area, I usually trim. I use either a 9 or a 6 millimeter, depending on what you're feeling. So today, I think I'm gonna do a 9. Cool, so we've done that area. In my opinion, the most difficult part of shaving down there is your testicles. You guys know what I mean, los huevos. My recommendation when you're doing that area is to stretch out the skin and always use a trimmer with an attachment because it's very easy to cut yourself down there, and it's happened to me before, I'm sure it's happened to some of you. No fun, not comfortable at all, so be safe, be very careful, especially when you're doing that area. Next up, your butt. I have a little bit of a hairy butt, but I actually don't touch any hair on the outside. I do trim inside of my butt cheeks. To do that, very simple, just use one hand to spread cheek and then use the trimmer with an attachment. Of course, be very careful, especially when you're getting close to the old butthole there. Want to be very careful around that area. Boom, that's pretty much it. That is my full body, head to toe, manscaping and grooming routine. Once again, if you're looking for the best tools for your family jewels, go to manscaped.com, follow the link in the description below, use the coupon code ED20 to get 20% off your order. You get free shipping, you get a free gift. It's really an amazing deal. You guys will love it. Check it out. Alright, thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel. And of course, as always, hit that notification bell so you actually get notified when videos come out. I'll see you next time. Bye.